Speaking with his trademark precision during his weekly Issues in the News broadcast, Nandlall confirmed that his chambers has already dispatched official demand letters following the recent ruling from the Court of Appeal.
In advance, we have sent out letters demanding payment in compliance with the order on or before November the 14th. It's $2 million to the Attorney General and $2 million to GCOM. That's $4 million. If these sums are not paid, at least speaking for the Attorney General, I don't speak for GCOM, decisive steps will promptly be made to recover this sum of money, including, decisive steps will be made to recover this money.
The ultimatum is a direct consequence of the October 5, 2025 decision from the Court of Appeal, which dismissed FGM's challenge against the Guyana Elections Commission, GCOM, regarding its exclusion from the September 1 elections in Regions 7, 8, and 9. The appellate court, presided over by Acting Chancellor Justice Roxanne George, labeled the party's case as utterly without merit. It reaffirmed the GCOM acted within the law by excluding FGM from the ballot due to the party's failure to submit the necessary candidate list. Justice George has mandated FGM to cover legal costs owed to both the Attorney General and GCOM by mid-November, a directive that looms over the party like a financial guillotine. In the original ruling by Chief Justice Navindra Singh, FGM's claims were dismissed as baseless. Singh underscored that GCOM adhered to electoral regulations meticulously. However, undeterred by this setback, the party, represented by Crystal Fisher, sought to appeal, only to confront an even harsher defeat. The original case, heard by Acting Chief Justice Navindra Singh, was itself a legal demolition. Singh dismissed FGM's claims as baseless, stating GCOM had followed electoral law to the letter. But the party, led by Representative Crystal Fisher, pressed on with an appeal, only to face a second, more brutal defeat.
So Navindra Singh told them that their case was hopeless, completely without merit, ridiculous, and dismissed it with $1 million in costs. They went to the appeal court, and those three judges used even stronger language. The judges say that the case was ludicrous, was wholly without merit, was an abuse of the process of the court, and accused the FGM party and lawyers for not being candid with the court and withholding information. It was a tongue lashing of the highest order.
Despite these judicial rebukes, the Forward Guyana Movement has now filed an application seeking leave to appeal to the Caribbean Court of Justice, CCJ, and initiate an election petition in the High Court. Attempts that Nandlall has criticized as another round of legal misadventure. His chambers has already filed a summons to strike out the petition on several procedural grounds, including failure to obtain necessary leave, omission of essential parties, and late document service. With the deadline fast approaching, Nandlall asserted that the rule of law will not be compromised. His final statement carried the authority of a gavel strike. Quote, "The court has ruled and the law will be enforced. No exceptions." End of quote. Melanie Morris, Guyana TV9 News.